100 gang. We back at it again with another video. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. And if you like cars like these, go ahead and subscribe to the MOC. That's me, Race Car Friends, Q to Chaotic, and Blueprint 1 Elite. Right now we are doing a nighttime drive POV in Atlanta, Georgia. I want to show y'all my beautiful city at nighttime, as well as a Civic Type R. Right now we have 615 miles. I'll be doing a 500-mile review soon, but we're gonna go ahead and focus on this nighttime POV right now. I just want to take y'all through some of the places where, you know, Atlanta's known for. Over here, the Braves used to play baseball until they moved to Cobb County. Got the big buildings over here. So very beautiful, lit up at nighttime. And we just cruising the city, man. Like, just giving y'all a good view of the CTR at nighttime. Right now we are in individual mode. I haven't really customized it yet. I just kind of left it in whatever the stock form was. So there's that. And right now we're just chilling, just having a nice stroll. One thing I can say about the CTR is definitely the Civic Type R. I heard somebody in the comments like, don't call it the CTR, call it the Type R. All right, this is for you. The Type R has really grown on me. I really like it. You know, at first I thought the loss of power was going to really bother me, and in the beginning it did, but it hasn't bothered me as much as I thought it would. This car is a true driving experience. It's a pleasure to own. It's a pleasure to drive. I can't say enough things about it. It has 4 doors, so I'm able to take my family any place I need to take them if I need to. You know, when I had the ZL1, look at this guy cut me off. No blinker, nothing, dog. Come on, bro. That's Atlanta for you. You know what I'm saying? Like, dude just got over, no blinker, nothing. And then got over like I'm the one that's the problem. Like, and he doing it again. Bruh. But anyway, as I was saying, the Type R has been a great experience car. You know, I love it because it's spacious. It's a very good, well-rounded car. It's like, it's not slow. It's not super fast, but it's not slow by any means. It has 4 doors, so you can take your family if you need to take them. It rides very, very smooth. The suspension in this compared to the ZL1 to me is night and day. A lot of people try to say that this suspension is very stiff. Not to me. It's decent. It's not stiff. Is not a word I would use. I would probably use I don't know. I wouldn't use stiff though. Another thing that I like about the CTR is that the Civic Type R is that when I go over low places, like when I used to drive the ZL1 in the city and stuff, I go low places, I would scrub everything, everywhere, and it would just pain me. But in the Civic Type R, you don't have to worry about it because it has enough height where you could, you know, clear things. You know, you can clear things no problem. That's one thing I hate about driving in Atlanta, man. There's so much traffic. It's really like at any time of the day really is traffic. But right now I'm gonna get off at Spring Street and show y'all some of the historical spots in Atlanta. Some of the places I actually used to work on Spring Street. Now Spring Street is one of those streets where you gotta stay ready so you gotta get ready. Unfortunately, over the last few years, Atlanta has turned into a danger zone. You know, inner cities are never really the most safe place to be, but Atlanta has really changed. And unfortunately, that's just the way it is now. I hope we can change it, but it's different. I'm finna put the car in the R mode. I really like R mode, and you can really feel the car switch gears in R mode. Like, it becomes a different vehicle. I really like it. But yeah, I'm about to take y'all around the city, show y'all some of the hot spots that I used to be at. If you came out here at some point in time, you could catch 100 gang Nate out here. Uh-oh, got an ambulance. Hopefully that person okay, or, you know, 100 Gang sends prayers and blessings up to them. Hopefully, that situation works itself out. Every time I see an ambulance, stuff like that, that's what I say to myself. But yeah, we're in the middle of the city right now. This is not like the Mecca, but I'm gonna take you guys on a little journey with me, and I'm gonna show y'all some of the landmarks in the inner city of Atlanta. So right now, first things first, I'm gonna take y'all to like where the Varsity is. Now Varsity is like a famous restaurant. Well, not, it's like a little burger joint we got out here. I wouldn't call it famous or nothing like that, but a little burger joint we got out here. Most people come to it when they visit the city. It's like, it's a cheap burger spot. You can get burgers, hot dogs, little milkshakes, stuff like that. It's just like American food, like that's what it is. And we're gonna roll over there. I'm gonna show y'all the Varsity. Like, when I used to be on this side of town in Atlanta, I used to work armed security. So you can imagine the things that I've seen, dealt with some crazy events, some dangerous things, but at that point in time in my life, that's what I was into. So it didn't really bother me. But now that I'm a little bit older and I have kids and stuff, sometimes you think back on that and you're like, bro, what was I doing? Like, and y'all gotta give some shouts out to me, because this helmet that I'm wearing right now, I look like a damn fool. I'm pretty sure if people could see me, they'd be cracking up. You know what I'm saying? I know I would cracking up if I saw myself in there. All right. See, if I did that on the ZL1, curtains. The whole front bumper part would have been dragging on the ground right now. But in the CTR, we all good. So I'm gonna take y'all to no, matter of fact, I'm gonna take y'all somewhere first. Like, I'm gonna go down here and I'm gonna circle back, because you could. I was gonna take y'all to Varsity, but I'm gonna take y'all to some more places first. Like, you could circle back. Just want to show y'all the city a little bit. And we're not in the most dangerous area. Not a lot. Up the street is kind of dangerous. But for the most part, this part right here is more chill. It's more for college kids, more for the people that love nightlife, stuff like that. And I'm gonna show y'all some of that. Hopefully we won't catch no crazy action out here. But if we do, we got the GoPro, so maybe we'll go viral or something, I don't know. So, I'm about to show y'all real quick, so. Alright, about to make this left right here. So when I used to come to work down here, I used to go to this Publix right here to the right and get me some little drinks or snacks for work. I would be working 12, 14, 16, 20-hour shifts sometimes. So I go there, give me some snacks. Sometimes I come down here and eat. They got like a Taco Bell over that way, Tropical Cafe that way. They got Supercuts, but I don't ever go to Supercuts to get my hair cut. And if I did, I probably would have went bald way faster than I did. Record this right now because I think it's important for y'all to see the city. Just gonna do a little quiet drive. Probably drive quietly for a couple minutes so y'all could just enjoy the city view. almost feels like you're driving in a video game. You know, it's like the car wants to be pushed. I love it. Like the exhaust noise, I love it. Like this car just makes you want to go faster. It makes you feel like I can take it. You know, that's what it feels like. You know. Uh-oh, got a 370Z. Do he want smoke? No, he don't want smoke. Actually, two 370Zs. Neither one of them want smoke. You know, we're just cruising, man. Cruising through the city. In the FL5 2023 Type R. Uh-oh, got a Rolls Royce. Y'all see him? Uh-oh. What's up, Rolly? You still can't catch me, though. But yeah, man. I really appreciate all of you guys, you know, tuning in to the channel, watching the videos. It means the world to me, and I'm just going to continue to keep bringing you guys great content as much as I can. I really feel like the FL5 was worth every dollar that I paid for it. And by now you probably know what I paid for it. I probably posted a video about it, and if I haven't, I'm not gonna say nothing yet because I don't want to give it away. But yeah, man, it's worth every cent. It's an amazing vehicle. Uh-oh, here go the wife. Watch this. Hello? Hello?
Okay, you alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. I'm on the way back.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay, we'll see you up there.
Alright.
Okay, just said bye.
Alright, bro. So she missing me. You know. She asking where I'm at. I'm on the way, sweetheart. I'm on the way. But yeah, man. Cruising through the city of Atlanta. Not with my top back, because we ain't got no convertible, but with my seat back, chilling like a big villain. Nighttime POV, baby. We outside. You see that cutie chaotic? You can't switch lanes like that. You ain't smooth like that. You see that Blueprint 1 LE? That's gonna be the same signal I use when I get in front of you. Remember that. And race car friends, he already know what I do. He already know what I do. Hey, y'all get in the comments if y'all want to see the MOC have a race off. Then after we have a race off, we probably can have like a spar off or something. Like maybe we get some sparring in. Look at this person right here, can't drive. You can't keep up with the FL5? Yeah, I ain't mean for that to rhyme, but it did. But guys, before I get a ticket trying to impress y'all with my impressive driving skills, I'm gonna go ahead and slow it down, make it home safely to my beautiful wife and kids. And I will see you guys again on the next upload. Yes, sir. And if you're new to the channel and you like cars like these, go ahead and subscribe to the MOC. That's me, Race Car Friends, Cutie Chaotic, and Blueprint 1 LE. Yes, sir. Let's go.